PHLV Radio.
PHLV Radio.
Katotong Informento. Abot kamay. Alas 6:10 na po ng gabi, hapon dito sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Pakinggan niyo ito, Rex Recarte, Rodney Haleco. Ito na ipangako ko sa ating mga kababayan na noong nakaraang linggo ay aking unti-unting isishare at ipapakita sa inyo ang hinggil sa natuklasan namin ni Mrs. na matatawag nating Miracle Mineral Water. Tulad ng mga naunang ibinilita ko na sa inyo, gawa po ito sa isang laboratorio dito sa Utah. Hindi po ito gamot, isa po itong mineral supplement. May halintulad sa isang bitamina at aking sinubukang ginamit ng personal at naramdaman ko na mahusay na booster pandagdag sa mga kakulangang mineral ng ating katawan. Para sa akin, isa itong magic water, epektibo. Kaya kami ni Mrs. ay sumama bilang isa sa mga founder at exclusive distributor o dealer ng produktong ito. Dahil nakikinita ko na maraming matutulungan ang produktong ito. Ito ho'y Miracle Mineral Water. Sa mga katulad ko mga senior na maraming nararamdaman sakit, isa po itong mineral water supplement to boost our immune system. Very affordable ang presyo. Magagamit mo ito sa loob ng isang buwan ng haplasan sa katawang nananakit. At iniinom din ito. Ihahalo sa inumin tulad ng kape o tubig inumin. Sa katunayan, ay ginamit ko na po ang mineral water supplement nito sa aking kaliwang kamay. Itong kaliwang kamay ko na nagkaroon po ng tendonitis. Noong kasi magpakonsulta ako sa doktor, sa nararamdaman kong masakit sa brasong ito, lalo na sa itong wrist na ito, hindi ko ito may ahawak o hindi ko nga maibuhat ng aking apo ng kahit anong mang bagay dahil grabe po sa tindi ang sakit. Parang nilalagaring aking kaliwang kamay. Pina-x-ray ako ng doktor twice and then the findings of the doctor, Benito Calderon, ang aming family physician, sabi niya namamaga ang aking tendon. Kaya daw po nananakit ang aking kaliwang kamay mula sa hinlalaki at paakyat sa braso. Tulad ito ng carpal tunnel syndromes daw. Hindi ko maibuhat ng kaliwang kamay dahil sa sakit at pamamaga nito. Noong una, hindi pa dumarating itong mineral water supplement, SB10 po ang tawag, SB10. Niresetahan ako ni Dr. Calderon ng pain reliever, good for 6 days na inumin. Pero pagkatapos noon, naroon pa rin ng grabing sakit na parang nilalagari ang aking kaliwang kamay. Hanggang sa dumating dito itong produktong SB10, itong mineral water supplement nito, dala po nila Pastor June Isiderio mula sa San Francisco, California. Inimbitahan kaming makita ang simpleng demonstration ni Pastor June. Noong una, hindi pa ako naniniwala At ang sabi ko nga, pare-pareho lang mga yan. Sa mga lumalabas na kung ano-anong herbal na nagsasabing magaling at nagpapagaling ng mga karamdaman. Hindi ko po ito pinansin. Pero nang makauwi na kami ni Mrs. kinagabihan, ang sabi ko, sige nga, susubukan ko yung sinasabi nilang mineral water na yan at kumuha ko ng isang basong tubig, aking ininom. Ito yun. At pinatakan ko rin ang aking kaliwang kamay, pinahid ko ito sa bahagi ng nanakit kong braso at natulog na kami. Kinabukasan, medyo pinakaramdaman ko ang aking kamay at patay mali pa ako na naupo sa lamesa at nagtimpla ulit ng kape at pinatakan ko ulit ng kapeng aking iniinom. At muli, pinatakan ko at tinaplasan aking kaliwang kamay na nananakit. Pagkatapos namalengke ako at habang namimili ako, hindi ko namamalayan na yung kaliwang kamay ko ay nabibit-bit ko na ang mga supot ng pinamili ko at hindi ako nakaramdam ng sakit o kirot. Kaya pag-uwi ko sa bahay, agad kong ibinalita kay Mrs. na heto, sabay taas na mga supot na aking pinamili, hawak ko sa aking kaliwang kamay. Gumana ang nasabing mineral water, parang magic na wala ang sakit ng aking braso sa kamay. So yun nagsimula, nagtawag na kami ng mga kaibigan na may mga reklamong nananakit ang katawan at inimbatahan naming makinig sa demo at paliwanag ni Pastor June. Isa itong Sister Rose Caimo, ang may bahay ni Brother Sunny Caimo na hindi na makalakad ng diretso. Nakasandal sa isang walker, dahan-dahan ang lakad at inireklamo ang pananakit ng kanyang mga paa. Pinahiran ng mineral water ang kanyang mga paa at binting nananakit habang magsisimula ang demonstrasyon at pinainom ng SB10 mineral water na inihalo sa tubig inumin. Minuto lang po naramdaman nito ang epekto at nakatayo, nakalakad ng diretso nang hindi nagamit ang walker o tungkod. Isa naman sa mga sumubok nito matapos na makinig ng demo sa bahay ni Esther Ocampo, itong isang Amerikano, si John, isang Amerikano na 10 taon nang iniinda ang sakit sa kaliwang tuhod nito dahil sa disgrasya sa sasakyan. Heto, pakinggan po natin ang kanyang kwento matapos na masubukan niya ang produktong ito.
Okay, sure.
Okay. John, my name is Bing from PHLB Radio.
Yes,
I would
sir.
like to know what happened to your knees.
Okay, I had a motorcycle accident about 10 years ago.
Uh-huh.
It just hurts all the time. At night, sometimes I sleep, it wakes me up.
Now, somebody introduced to you the
Yeah.
SB10, and what happened?
Okay, it seems to help a lot.
Okay.
You know,
Now-
I've tried other things, right, and it really hasn't worked out.
Okay.
You know, this seems to work out a lot better.
A lot better
Yeah.
by this product right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, John.
Yes,
O
sir.
yan. Narinig po ninyo ang mga tinura ni John Trout. Isang beses pa lamang niya nagamit yon. Meron ng epekto. Naibsan daw ang pananakit na 10 taon na niyang iniinda. Ngayon, ating pakinggan ang isang testimonya ng isang 85 years old na lola kung papaano ito nakatulong sa kanyang iniindang sakit sa katawan, partikular ang kanyang binting na mamaga na napagaling ng produktong ito, ang SB10. Inihaplas niya ito bago matulog at iniinom. Pero ito po, siya pakinggan natin si Lola Juanita Olmedo. Okay, paliwanag lang kung paano, ano masasabi mo tungkol sa paggamit ng SB10.
Ay, napakahusay. Kasi ang aking kamay, baluktot masakit. At saka ngayon, ay mas na-expand na, hindi na arthritic. Aking legs, my legs are swollen. And I call this the Miracle Mineral Water. So affordable. I call it the Miracle Water. And I drop 5 drops on my coffee in the morning, and it helps a lot. I really could recommend this to everyone. I know I'm sending to my family members to the Philippines, Australia. I call this the Miracle Mineral Water. I really, really recommend it to everyone. So all my family members are gonna have this.
Narinig nyo ang mga tinuran ni Lola Juanita Olmedo Lerma. Pakinggan naman natin isa pa sa mga kababayan na nabiyayaan ng mineral water nito. Itong isang singer, local singer natin dito, si Cristina Mercado.
Paggamit ko po ng SB10 product ay nakatulong po sa aking mga sakit na nararanasan sa ngayon. Ako po ay may problema sa spine, C4, C5 sa taas dito, L1, L2, L4, L5, L6, S1, S2. I don't want to go under surgery. The first surgery was not good. Kaya po, nung maipakilala sa akin tong SB10, health-wise, kabigay sa akin, naglagay po kagad ako ng masakit sa katawan ko. In about 10 seconds, wala na. Ito lang po ay para makatulong sa pang-araw-araw. Kung ayaw nyo pong uminom ng gamot katulad ko, ilagay nyo lang po ito kung saan mayroong masakit at malalaman nyo po na ay talagang mabisa po. Pag ako hindi makatulog sa gabi, umiinom po ako, nilalagay ko po sa aking tsaa, 10 patak, maganda po ang pagtulog ko. Eh, nang maipapayo ko po sa inyo, itry nyo po ito. Itry nyo po. Ito po ay totoo dahil nangyari po sa akin. At wala pong ikakasama sa inyong katawan kung inyo pong itatry. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, ayan. Narinig ninyo ang mga tinuran ni Cristina Mercado. Naibsan ang pananakit ng kanyang iniinda kapag inihaplas niya at iniinom ang mineral water. Noong mga nakaraang linggo, inyong narinig ang ilang mga testimonya ng mga sumubok nito. Ngayon, pakinggan naman natin ang panayam ni Pastor June Isiderio sa isa sa namang sumubok nitong SB10 product. Pastor June?
Yes. Good evening. We have a lady here who came to this house for the first time to watch SB10 presentation, and she came with a stick like this one, a cane. She came in walking slowly, and after like 20-30 minutes, she went to the restroom running, literally running. And she was amazed just like all of us.
Like that. She was walking like that.
prostitute is asking, like I asked you, what is your pain level? You said
I don't have no pain.
no pain. Oh my goodness.
No pain, right? No, not in the hands. A little bit in the feet.
Ayan ho, narinig nyo, tinura ni Ginang Blanca Bono.
Ito pong aking mga fingers, hands, hanggang sa aking pong mga arms, sa aking pong shoulder, ay kumikirot at namamanhid. Lalo na po itong right hand ko po, ito po, on taba-taba po. Yan, halos hindi po ito makabuhat. Maga po yung dito ko, yan, hindi ko po may twist to. Kaya hindi po ako makagawa ng empanada. Hindi ako makapagmasa ng dough. Yan, maga po ito. Kumikirot po ito. Halos magdamaga ng pagkirot. Ito po yung 2 days na paggamit ko po ng SB10. Ayan, nako-close ko na po siya. Ito-twist ko na rin po. Nawala po yung mga kirot. Hinaplas ko lang. Thank you, Lord. Miracle po talaga yung mineral.
Abot kamay.
Welcome to SB Healthwise International, exclusive distributor of SB10 product worldwide. This presentation is directed toward those who would like to be a part of our company and would like to grow together with us. We call this aspiring partners as founder members. They grow with the company and they earn income with the company. I would consider this a golden opportunity to be a part of our founders club, because rare is an opportunity where a company would launch a product and you get invited to be part of this great opportunity. And that's what we have. Founders Club membership is a golden opportunity. And so the question for us would be, why SB10 now? Simply because drugs and medicines are very expensive in the Philippines. And secondly, doctors' visit are very, very expensive. And especially if you get hospitalized, then you're talking about super expensive. People would resort to selling their water buffalo or their piece of land just so they can pay for their hospitalization. And that's why SB10 can help in people's health problems. We're not talking about drugs, because SB10 is not a drug, but it is a food supplement to boost your immune system. It helps, as many would testify, in dealing with their health problems. And so we're ready to roll out. Imagine this terminal. This is just an illustration, of course. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, these markets are ready for SB10 product to arrive. And that is where we have this opportunity on these 87 provinces, all waiting for SB10. That's where our founders and partners will come in to help bring SB10 product to the market. It's a rare opportunity because, as you could see here, people are ready to go. Our distributors, like this person says, ready na po ang mga tao at ang lugar. We're just waiting for the product. And again, this person says that there's no question about the potency of SB10. I mean, the effectiveness, how it helps. The only problem again is supply. Of course, these are sample supply that they have received from somebody, And we have here a, a need not only for Metro Manila but for the whole country. And so we have people who are waiting, pleading, and all we need, like I said, are products. So I'd like to imagine SB10 as your train of opportunity. Yes, your train of opportunity. Founders Express. And we're stopping by. We're not going to wait for everybody. We're stopping by. And so we want to invite you to come on board. Why? Because we will travel the whole world. And this is going to be big. This is real, as you could see it. And will pay you for many, many years to come from the company's income, aside from what you do on your own. And so we have our FDA certificate. We have our LTO certificate. We're ready to distribute. In other words, everything is ready to roll out in all 87 provinces, 1,494 municipalities, 145 cities, 42,029 barangays, all waiting for this amazing product called SB10. So right now, like I said, we have a pre-launch opportunity at this time and period, and we open the gate for people who would like to partner with us as founder members, because we have such a great product, proven and effective. People would call it a gift of God, a miracle. It works like magic, etc. We own the product, and the manufacturer only makes it for us. And we own the exclusive rights to market to the whole world, of course, but our first stop is the Philippines. As you can see, we own the FDA certificate, so we're exclusive on this. All we need are products. So how can we sell 2,000 bottles in a province, like say province of Bulacan? We can easily sell 2,000 bottles if you look at this illustration. You just pick 10 towns out of 20 municipalities and 4 cities. And in every town, you pick 10 barangays and 1 sale representative for each barangay. And assuming he would only sell 1 bottle a day for 5 days, so that would be 5 bottles a week, times 4, 20 bottles a month for each barangay. And since you have 10 barangays, that would be 200 bottles a month for each town. And you have 10 towns, that would translate to 200 bottles a month in each town. So with 10 towns, you are talking of 2,000 bottles minimum in, say, the province of Bulacan. And you can repeat that same formula for the province of Laguna, and also for the province of Batangas. That's even bigger province with 29 municipalities at 1,078 barangays. But still, we're just using a minimum illustration of 2,000 bottles a month. So we have a special founder opportunity where you can purchase a product at 50% discount as a company founder. So 50% discount. And we have 5 categories for our special founders. Special founder 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in that order. But as you could see, if you are special founder 1, you got 1 share, 1,000 bottles, 2,000 bottles, 2 shares, 3,000 bottles, 3 shares, and so on. And the benefits if you are a founder is that, like I said, your purchase of the product is always 50% discount indefinitely. It doesn't matter whether you buy 6 months from now, a year from now, 5 years from now, or you're buying from Australia or somewhere else. It's still 50% discount. And then you have this huge opportunity where you have a share in what we call company global sales pool. 2% of all sales worldwide goes to all the founders. They'll just split it among themselves in number of shares. And as a founder, you can buy your product as often as you want, and you can market them anywhere you want, as long as we're authorized to do it there. And we have a special only in this period, in what we call pre-launch. This is the special of a special, whereby in the Philippines only, we double the number of shares. So instead of 1 share, we double it to 2 shares for the Philippine market right now, all the way to the end of August. So for 1 share becomes 2, 2 shares becomes 4, 5 shares becomes 10, and that's honor. Now, of course, we realize there are some people who might not have 14,500 for 1,000 bottles, so we offer what we call a special case founder. You can buy 500 bottles for $7,250. You get 1 share, indefinite. In other words, no expiration. Oh, what about those who doesn't have $7,250? Well, we have an old founder that we no longer use today. That is like last year for US and Canada. This one is for $5,000, 345 bottles. 1 share, you get 1 share, but good for 5 years only. Now, if that's all you can spare right now, well, you can still be a founder for 345 bottles, $5,000. And of course, this is good for 5 years, then it expires. So we have a special announcement. All purchases made this July and August are all 50% discount. All purchases. Minimum is at least 50 to 100 bottles or more. We deliver in 5 days as soon as we receive the payment. Now, of course, this is a special offer only. Okay? And for 50 bottles, that would translate to $725. Plus, you get 5 free bottles to cover your shipping cost. In other words, we will refund your shipping cost. The 5 bottles is more than what you will pay for shipping. In other words, tubo ka pa doon sa 5 bottles. Sa 100 bottles, it's 1,450, plus you get 10 free bottles of an amazing product. So again, tubo ka na naman doon. And all purchases made in July and August will be counted towards your special founder partnership purchase. So if you plan on buying the founder plan 1, that's 1,000 bottles. But if you have already ordered today, that means you need only 900 more to complete your 1,000 bottle purchase. We will count whatever you will buy this period of July and August. And here's the kicker. In other words, special here, people who buys as a founder this month of July and August, they have first priority once we open our invitation to invite our founders or partners to come to the US to visit our company manufacturing site. Once we offer that, maybe give it maybe 3 years, 4 years from now, once we gain success in different areas, once that happen, we'll make an invitation to some people to come visit our manufacturing facilities. And if you join this July and August, you have the first priority. Just get yourself passport ready and we'll take care of the rest. All right, so there we go. We have that plan. Of course, we have many other plans for our partners, our funders. There will be a lot of surprises along the way. And product background, we've been using this product for 17 years in their 2 other what you call models or formulations. SB10 is the very latest formulation, and this one we own the FDA. Like I said, If you think of a car model, this is the very latest model. And so here is our product. And our flagship product is the 60 ml. Our suggested retail is 1,395. That already have a 20% discount. I can show you that other manufacturers of different brands, not even as good as ours, they're selling for 1,600 or 1,800 a bottle, 60 ml. Now we're gonna come up with 30 ml also, together with our 60 ml. And in the very near future, maybe 6 months from now, we'll come up with 10 or 15 mLs. That would cover everybody. We don't want to leave anybody behind in the use of this product. So our 10, 15 ml will be so affordable to everyone. So testimonies, here we have tons of testimonies of people who say that they were helped in these many different areas of health issues. Now again, I would like to reiterate that SB10 is not a drug. We don't promise any cure or healing like that, but we have tons of testimonies of people who testified they will greatly help in their health problems by this SB10. Say for example, we have this picture of this hand from my friend, his cousin from Bacolod. He told me that the hand was like almost a year with no remedy. So he took out his SB10, applied it, and in 6 days it was restored to normal. Amazing. And this foot belongs to my compadre in Panabo, Davao del Norte. It got infected like a zombie foot there, but it was restored in 8 days by the use of this SB10. In other words, it helped in restoring and recovering this particular problem. And we have testimonies of people. Gusto ko lang po share yung experience ng mother ko. Nahihimatay yung mother niya since she was a little girl. After 20 years, the same thing. Na hospital na doktor na, gamot na, same thing. But when she tried and applied SB10, lo and behold, she never had any episode for almost 2 years. Glory to God. And this other one, she really thanked God. Salamat po sa Diyos na ginamit kayo malaman ko itong SB10. Life giver po talaga. Hindi na po ako umiinom ng tubig nung walang SB10 dahil iba pakaramdam. So here, this particular lady, yung heart palpitation niya, rapid palpitation, was restored to normal. Yung kanyang mga sakit sa katawan, nawala. Sakit sa ipin, general health. Yung isa naman, yung high blood ng tatay niya, natulungan. Infection sa tenga, natulungan. Yung asthma niya, nawala. Praise God. Sabi ng isa, buhay ko na po itong SB10, talagang gift of God. Itong isa, yung pang-amoy niya, nawala for 23 years. Nabalik nung minom siya ng SB10. Itong isa, hindi makalakad for 3 days. Applyan niya ng SB10. I mean, like they say, it works as a gift of God, it works like magic. Maraming matutulungan. Kaya nga sabi ni Bing Pormento sa Las Vegas Radio, sabi niya siya ay nag-founder at dealer dahil sabi niya maraming matutulungan ang produktong ito. Matutulungan po. So here we go. We have video clips of testimonies of people, radio broadcast testimonies of people. And we are also in the newspaper, one of the biggest Philippine news circulation here in the U.S., California, with evangelist Art Madlaing. He puts out amazing articles. And of course, people are, like I said, waiting and pleading for the products. And we have barely started, and we're going to be opening to different countries. Great opportunity for our partners and founders. And of course, like I said, you don't want to miss your train. This is your train of opportunity, Founders Express. And so we want you to travel with us to the road to success. So why SB10 now? Like I said, because products and medicines are very expensive. And so SB10 can greatly help. So how to make 200,000 to 500,000 a month if you are a founder and partner? We want to show this to you. This is an extra presentation just so you can understand where your money will make a good return. So first of all, we illustrate in detail how to sell 2,000 bottles a month in one province. So let's say, for example, Batangas, all right? So you pick 10 towns out of so many, 10 towns. And out of these 10 towns, Nasugbo, for example, with 42 barangays, we pick only 10 barangays out of 42. And so we have one barangay, and out of this one barangay, we have one sales representative, or tagalako. And he would only sell one bottle a day for 5 days, all right? So that would be 5 bottles a week. Times 4 weeks, that would be 20 bottles a month in one barangay. So there you go. Well, we missed to change the name there. It's supposed to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, but you could see we have 5 bottles a week, 20 bottles a month in one barangay, and 10 towns, that would be 10 barangays in one town, that would be 200 bottles a month for each town. And for 10 towns, that would translate to 2,000 bottles a month. Very conservative, because we're only counting 10 towns out of many and 10 barangays out of many. So how do you make 200,000 to 500,000 a month if you are a founder? Let's look at this illustration. So if you are a founder, company founder, like I said, you get 50% purchase discount. So that would be $850, $14.50 a bottle. And that would be, if you are going to give it to the barangay sales rep at 950 pesos a bottle, you stand to make a profit of 100 bottles, 100 pesos rather, per day for each bottle. 100 pesos per day for each bottle. So you multiply that by 2,000, you make 200,000 pesos a month in income. All right. And so one sales representative, how much is he going to make? Well, here's how he's going to make. We will make it like a boundary system. Boundary, like a tricycle boundary. They get the boundary in the morning, they return the they check out the tricycle in the morning, they return it in the afternoon or evening, and they just pay the boundary. The rest goes to them. So same principle. They check out 2-3 bottles in one day, and at the end of the day, they return with the boundary. So 950 pesos per bottle is the boundary, and so they are selling it for suggested retail of 1,395 each. That would stand to make them a profit of 445 pesos a bottle. Oh, that's a whopping profit. More than a tricycle driver, average tricycle driver would make for a whole day's work, hard work. Whereas here, he only sells one bottle. He earns $445 a bottle. You know, that would translate to 20 bottles a month. That's 8,900 pesos a month. Assuming that he would just limit himself to what, one bottle a day for 5 days. Now, of course, doesn't have to stop there, but this is just for illustration. So we have a customer who purchased a bottle, and guess what? He is a happy, healthy, satisfied customer, and he would buy every month. All right? And maybe not just for himself or herself, but for the family. Then you're talking about big sales now. Now, so there you could see 2,000 monthly sales from 100 sales representative, 10 reps from each of the 10 towns. Like I said, we count this in its minimum illustration only. So we're talking about founder member company again. What about 300,000 pesos? Well, that same is true. If the boundary is 1,000 pesos per bottle, then the profit of the founder becomes 150 pesos a bottle. So a bottle a day, 150 pesos. You know, that would translate to 300,000 monthly income if you are a founder supplying 2,000 bottles a month. You make 150 pesos a bottle. That would be your income, 300,000 pesos. And of course, the sales representative, of course, would make a little bit less because his boundary went up by 50 pesos. So his profit per bottle is 395. I mean, that's still a whopping profit. 395 a bottle. What if he sells 2 of them? So here, with just 20 bottles a month, the sales reps still make 7,900 a month. Like I said, you can double it easily. And we still have a happy, satisfied, repeat customer every month. There you go. Now, how about 500,000 a month? Well, we show you the same formula. There you go. There. The profit, we raised the boundary to 1,100 for each bottle. So your income there is, as a founder, you're making 250 pesos per day with that boundary of 1,100 per bottle. Now, you know, 250 pesos a bottle times 2,000 bottles, that's 500,000 a month in income. Whopping income. Where in the world can you find the return of investment that kind? Now, of course, our sales representative is still a very happy camper because guess what? His boundary is 1,100 each. Selling price is the same. So he's still gonna make 295 per bottle in income. That's still a lot of opportunity to make that kind of income. And guess what? That would still be 5,900 a month in income, assuming only that he sells 20 bottles a month. Again, we have a customer that is happy and satisfied, and a repeat customer. That's how we can show you can make 200,000, 300,000, or 500,000, depending on how much you want to make and how much your sales representative would like to do it. Of course, you negotiate the price of how much the boundary. But what if you are a founder and you don't like to sell to sales rep? Well, we have a model here where you can sell it to just 10 people. We call these people local distributors. You yourself do not make a sale to anybody. You don't have sales representative. You have local distributors, 10 of them. So here, you are a founder. You have a local distributor. You want to sell it for $950 to each of your local distributors. You stand to make 100 pesos a bottle. All you do is supply the product. Again, that would translate to what? 200,000 pesos a month in income. No selling on your part. Your distributor will sell it for you. So say, for example, you have 10 towns, one distributor in each town. So that means your distributor will make 100, let's say 50 pesos. He's the one having the boundary system to sales rep. So you know what? That local distributor with his or her 200 bottles will earn him or her 30,000 pesos a month in income. And he sells it through the sales representative. So they split the profit, and sales representative say make a boundary of clear boundary of 295 pesos a bottle. Right, boundary is 1,100, so he still makes 295 a bottle. And even if he only sells 20 bottles, he still makes 5,900 a month in income. But many of these will not stop on one bottle a day. They could easily sell 30, 40 bottles a month and double their income. Again, you're talking of happy people who are using the product, satisfied, and there goes your 2,000 bottles a month if you are a founder. That's why if you are a founder, you must seriously consider riding with us if you have the means.